Hey everyone, my name is Irma and welcome to Elevated Tech. In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the things that you can do to stay positive and just keep motivated while you're learning how to code, especially if you're a beginner, and how to find communities, different online communities as well as in-person ones, and really make some connections with people so that you can keep learning together, bounce ideas off each other, and definitely try to help each other out in whatever way you can. So this is what this video is going to be about. If you're still interested in listening to that, please keep watching. And also, you'll notice that I am in a new location, and this location has no monitor or computers or anything tech related in the background. And that is because it's a really nice day out and it's snowing, and there's really good lighting in this area, so I had to try it out. And I'm gonna do a quick little montage of my surroundings right now outside because it's really pretty. Let's do it. Montage time. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're just learning how to code and you're starting out, one of the first things I suggest you to do is find some sort of online community. So essentially what this would allow you to do is find people that are around your same level or even know a little bit more than you, but that'll help you with any questions that you have so you can reach out to them and pretty much work together to solve a problem. And that's what you really want to do. You want to make sure that you're not just getting the answers from Stack Overflow or any of these other websites. You're actually understanding concepts and trying to work through them yourself or with somebody else. And that really helps that concept stick as you move forward in your developer career or wherever you're trying to be with your coding skills. There are some communities online that I do recommend you guys to check out. And if I don't list them all, I'm going to leave a list to all of them that I currently use or have used in the past down below, but some of those are the dev community online. It's called dev.to. Really great. It's kind of like a Reddit for developers, and it's just a forum of different people and they post articles, and it's really great if you're a beginner or even if you're seasoned. It's a really great resource to use. Another one is Code Newbies. I'm sure you've heard of them. Pretty much an online resource for people learning how to code. And another one that I do want to recommend you guys check out is Productivity in Tech. He creates content that'll help you just stay more productive and reach your goals, whether you're trying to start your own business, learn a new language, or just up your skills in the tech industry. So check those couple ones out, and if I think of any more, I'll leave them in the comments and you guys can check them out. But those are really good communities to be a part of. A lot of them have Slack channels, so you can just request to join their community on Slack, and there you go. You have this really great community of thousands and thousands of people that can help you. So do it. Number 2 is go on Reddit. So Reddit has a bunch of subreddits for programming. So there's a Learn JavaScript Reddit, there's a CS Career Questions Reddit, Learn Programming Reddit. There's a ton. I'll leave a link to the top ones that I'm subscribed to down below if you can check them out. It's a place not only to ask questions, but if you are really versed in a certain language, it's a great place to help other people out. So that also help you understand if your skills are kind of up to par with what you want them to be, if you're constantly helping people solve issues on these online communities. Another point, number 3, is to take it day by day. So just take it one day at a time, one foot in front of the other, and don't try to rush the process. You're going to take your own time to learn a language, and it's okay however long that takes. You can try to compare yourself to other people. It's just not going to make it enjoyable, and you want it to be a very fun experience. Of course, there's going to be ups and downs, but essentially you want it to be something that you look forward to doing. So just do it on your own pace. Don't get too overwhelmed by all these new languages and frameworks that are coming out, and you want to try them all. It's really hard not to, because everybody's just like, this thing's really cool, or this other framework is super fast and quick and super easy to learn and use. But just try to stick to and master your language and your framework, and then once you got that mastered, then you can move on to other things. And the last one, number 4, is don't overwhelm yourself. So only do as much as you can do. The best thing to do is just block out some time, weekly or daily. Maybe put something in a calendar and just block out an hour or 2 per day that you're going to spend on a course or studying a new language on Udemy, or maybe it's a free code camp or a free course on YouTube. Just make a schedule for yourself so that you can constantly refer to it and it can constantly remind you that you are supposed to be learning this thing today. I think when you don't have a schedule, you start to kind of put things above it, and then when that happens, it turns into this negative thing where you're or you kind of regret not coding and then you're just like, I'm not meant for this and I don't have time. But if you do block out the time and if you do want to excel in this kind of industry, make sure that you do have some sort of schedule and some accountability for yourself so that you're not just putting it off to the side and doing a little bit today but nothing tomorrow. So consistency is key with anything that you're learning, and I really suggest that using some sort of like reminder or schedule will really help you. Planning ahead is the best thing that you can do. If you're taking a course, for example, there's 10 lessons, break it down, see how much you can get done in a week. Just map that out per week and get reminders set up for yourself. Monday lesson 1, Wednesday lesson 2, etc. And that'll really help and give you some results. And on top of that, if you are doing these really long like coding spans, use something like the Pomodoro technique. So essentially you can set a timer to tell you to take a break, and that'll help your brain kind of recharge and step away. And then when you step back into the code, usually you see it a little bit clearer. So I'll leave a link to a really great app that you can use on your Windows or Mac down below. You can download that, and then when you start coding, just turn that on, set a certain amount of time that you want to code for. It'll interrupt you, take a small like 5-minute break, and then get back right into it. Remember, health is also important, so make sure you're taking care of yourself as you are learning this really intense and crazy world of development. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links again will be down below, and if you guys have any links to share, resources to share for others, make sure to comment that down below. I'd love to see what you guys use on the daily or the weekly. And of course, make sure to subscribe if you want to stay tuned for more content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.